What's up everybody, today we're doing a high skin taper haircut. Starting with our number 2 guard, we're going to go ahead and remove some weight in the area that we are going to taper. Starting with our trimmers, we're going to create our first line from the bottom corner point of our lineup and bring it straight across to the top of the ear. To make it smooth, use our electric shaver. Beginning our taper, we're going to go ahead and throw our number 1 guard on our clipper, go up about a ½ inch. Next we do no guard, lever halfway open, go up another ½ inch. Next, close the lever to a 0 using just a corner and blend it into the skin. Corner of our trimmer to blend into the skin. Half guard on my clipper, lever close, go up another ½ inch. No guard, lever halfway open using just a corner to blend into our 0. 1½ guard, lever close, going up another ½ inch. And now we got our number 1 guard on our clipper, lever open, and we're gonna slowly close down that lever using just the corner of our clipper to blend that in to the half and in between the 1½. Half guard with just the corner. Number 2 guard closed. Number 3 guard to smooth it out. One-and-a-half guard open using just the corner to blend in between the 1 and the 2. Final detail touches to make sure everything blends in nice and smooth. Make sure no loose hairs are sticking out. That is a blended high skin taper with no lineup yet. Now we'll go ahead and repeat all the same steps on the opposite side the exact same way we just did it. And make sure you guys create your lines in the exact same place that you did on the opposite side, because you want to make sure the blend always comes out even. The great thing about a taper is no matter the side, you can always follow the exact same steps to get the same results. The only difference is you're working with a wider area in the back and a little bit more hair. So that is the only difference, but the taper, the steps, everything should be exactly the same. You guys saw I removed the weight first, and now removing just a little bit more weight up top so I can see a little bit better. And now we're creating our first line, and then I'm just going to follow the exact same steps, fading up on the neckline as I did on the sides. It's always good to give a nice lineup around the area that you just tapered to get a better look in the mirror and to make sure everything looks nice and clean and blended when the customer goes home and looks in the mirror. You guys just want to make sure to follow the natural line as best as possible. This was my high skin taper tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video.